Hey YouTube, welcome back to another Zittle Farms YouTube video. On this video, it's getting ready for the storm that's going to happen starting tonight. Snow all day Monday, and then we'll be out plowing Monday evening and Tuesday morning. If you need any help, let me know. Leave a comment below. This video is just hooking up the plow to the truck and to the tractor and just getting a few chores done before the snowstorm. 6 to 10 to 12 inches. We're hoping the 10 to 12. That's where I'm thinking at, it looks like. I hope you guys enjoy. We're going to get some video of plowing. We have the Waterford Foundation. We have a winery to do. We have a horse property, 3 other driveways, and then we have our driveway to do with the Ford F350R. Everything else we'll be doing with this truck to get around. We have a couple other local ones. If need be, we'll take the tractor, but we'll see. I hope you guys enjoy. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment or note below, and I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get the snow. Cool thing about this plow is with these feet that you can adjust, it keeps the blade off the top of the driveway. With it being gravel, those shoes just run along the driveway, and the blade, see how it has about a 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch there? It does not get rid of a lot of gravel.